Xinhaisen has been focusing on precision PCM since 2013. At Xinhaisen, all incoming materials are carefully inspected and stored under strict ISO 9001 and IATF 16949 quality management systems. Material traceability, environmental control, and inventory management ensure that every production batch starts with stable and reliable raw materials. Xinhaisen has two pieces of automatic cutting equipment. According to customer drawings and production requirements, metal sheets are precisely cut into the required dimensions. Before entering the photochemical process, every metal sheet undergoes thorough cleaning to remove oil, dust, and surface contaminants. A perfectly clean surface is essential for achieving excellent photoresist adhesion and consistent etching quality. A high-precision photoresist is evenly coated onto the metal surface before being carefully baked under controlled temperatures. This process creates a stable and uniform photosensitive layer, providing the foundation for precise pattern transfer. Using high-resolution photomasks and advanced UV exposure equipment, the customer's design is accurately transferred onto the photoresist layer. Every micron matters. Precise exposure ensures exceptional pattern accuracy and repeatability. The exposed panels enter the developing process where unexposed photoresist is removed, revealing the precise metal areas ready for chemical etching. Strict process control guarantees consistent pattern definition across every production batch. Chemical etching is the core of our manufacturing process. Through precisely controlled etching parameters, unwanted metal is dissolved while preserving the design geometry with outstanding dimensional accuracy, smooth edges, and burr-free surfaces. After etching, the remaining photoresist is completely removed, followed by comprehensive cleaning to eliminate chemical residues. Each component is restored to a clean metallic surface, ready for inspection and subsequent manufacturing processes. Every critical dimension is carefully measured using advanced inspection equipment. Our experienced quality engineers verify dimensional accuracy according to customer specifications, ensuring every part meets the highest precision standards. Before shipment, every product undergoes a comprehensive visual inspection. Surface quality, edge condition, appearance, and overall workmanship are carefully evaluated to ensure that every component delivered to our customers meets the highest standards of excellence. Only products that pass all inspection procedures are approved for delivery.